Hi, guys. It's day 138 of the Feathered Quest, and today's bird is the red-shouldered hawk. When it's time to woo a mate, red-shouldered hawks don't exactly play it cool. They get loud, filling the sky with a non-stop chorus of calls and dramatic aerial displays, basically turning courtship into a full-blown forest concert. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?